Panama. Welcome again to my kitchen around the world under one roof. Here today with Chef Hoskey, and I am here with my baby girl, Kanani Hoskey. Nani, say hi. Say hi. We are going to Mexico, and we are making Kanani's all-time favorite. What is your favorite, Nani?
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas. So she's going to make her authentic Mexican enchiladas for you. So follow us to the stove so we can go ahead and cook some enchiladas. So Kanani's going to be making you some enchiladas today, and come join us. Alright, so here's the ingredients for my enchiladas, which is chopped onions, seasoning, my chilies, bell peppers, black beans, my 3 cheeses, a pound and a half of ground beef, chili powder, cumin, oregano, cilantro, my queso, my enchilada sauce, my tortillas, black pepper, and I forgot to put my 2 cups of beef broth. Here I am about to start my enchilada sauce first in my pan. So I got 2 tablespoons of oil, and my chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and my cumin. Mixing that up, adding in my flour, mixing that very well. Now I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth. Now you're welcome to add in 3 cups if you don't want your sauce that thick. I like my sauce thick. So make sure you stir that on medium heat. Break everything out really well. All the ingredients will be on the bottom of the description box, and a can of tomato paste. Make sure you break that up very well too. I'm cooking it for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's getting nice and thick. Adding my salt. Alright, mixing it. It's getting nice and thick for another 2 more minutes. And here it is done. It's the consistency that I want. And here goes the enchilada sauce. Now I'm putting my enchilada sauce on the side and storing it in a jar until I'm getting ready to make my enchiladas. Now you can keep it in the jar for about a month in the refrigerator and for about 2 to 3 months in your freezer. It's the fresh enchilada sauce. Now I'm about to cook it with my daughter. She had 2 tablespoons of oil. Now she had a hamburger. Now I'm using the lean hamburger meat. It's actually good to cook with. Less grease. She added salt and pepper. Make sure you brown your hamburger meat, your ground beef very well. There you go. See, doesn't have that much oil, but if you do use the one that is not as lean as this one, you can also drain your oil. Add in the garlic, your bell pepper, saute for about a minute, and in the seasoning, which is chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and your cumin. Stir it very well. Make sure you mix your seasoning in really well. And you're also more than welcome to add in about a 4th cup of your enchilada sauce also in the mix. And she also added in, she's adding the chilies, the black beans. She also added a little bit of adobo seasoning that I forgot to put on here earlier. Mixing everything very well. The mix is done. Now she added some of the enchilada sauce to the pan that she's going to lay the enchiladas in. Now you can spray your pan if you want, if you feel it's going to stick in your pan. But my pan doesn't stick. It's a non-stick pan. It works really well when I cook in it. So I add my enchilada sauce to the bottom. Here Kanani go preparing the tortilla mix. Here Kanani is putting the meat mixture into the tortilla, and she's adding the cheese, and now she's gonna fold it and roll it. Not too tight, but tight enough to just be able to let it rest on the seam part, and layer it in your pan. And you're going to do that with all your tortillas until you get everything that you want into your pan. So she's just doing it over and over again till she's made all her enchiladas. As you can see. Now you add the enchilada sauce on the top, and you can sprinkle the Mexican blend cheese on the top, or whatever cheese that you prefer. And we also forgot to put it in the video, but we also crumbled up some queso and we put it on the top of the cheese, and now we're putting it, as you can see, we crumbled some of the queso. And now we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes on 350 degrees till all the cheese is melted. Here it is, 25 minutes later, and everything is nice and melted. And now I'm about to plate my enchilada plate. Right here I'm putting my sauce on the plate and I'm putting my enchiladas. I'm dressing it up with a little bit of lettuce. I made me some pico de gallo. And some olives. And I put a little bit of avocados. And here we go. Here's the famous delicious enchiladas. I hope you try it and enjoy it and you like it. Mahalo nui loa, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today in making this awesome and delicious, delicioso enchiladas, beef enchiladas that Kanani makes. I hope you enjoy her authentic Mexican enchilada recipe. And where are we going now, Nani? Where are we going? And what are we going to be making? We're going to be making some jambalaya from New Orleans. So join us next week for some delicious jambalaya. Thank you all for joining us today. Please pop a like if you like what you see. Share the video with family and friends. And please subscribe so you get notified for my next video. Mahalo nui loa and aloha.